I'm going to show you how to make a hummingbird feeder using these bowls from Dollar Tree. Here's one of the hummingbird feeders that I use outside. But the hummingbirds don't use these, go to these little flowers. On here they go to the outer ones. So I decided I wanted to take these off of this one and put them on this to make me another hummingbird feeder to hang somewhere else, because my hummingbirds are always fighting over the feeders. This is going to be super easy. You can order dots off of Amazon for making hummingbird feeders. What I'm going to do, take the lid off. I have 3 of them, which I could take another one of these off and use 4. I might do that. Take another one of these. And what I will do is with these holes, I will plug these holes up. I'll take my glue gun and I'll put a little bit of the glue here, and that will harden so that wasps won't be able to go through those holes to get in there. So that's what I will do here. I'm just going to remove another one of these. I'm just going to melt holes in the lid to stick to. And you don't want to get the holes too round, because you want this to be able to, where these have the little notches here, and you want this to be just round enough to stick this through, and then these notches to catch on the lid so they won't fall out. With this, you can sit it on something. There we go. Now I'm gonna put these other 3 in here. And what I thought of while I was just here making this video, take the lid from the other bowl, because these come 2 in a pack, and you can see where it has this dip in it. Fill it with water, sit it on a table or whatever you want to sit it on. Sit that on it. Put the hummingbird nectar in the bowl. Put the lid on it. This is your ant moat right here to keep the ants out. Or you can hang it up. I'll show you how to do that when I get this part finished. I will put my nectar in here, my homemade nectar, 1 cup of sugar to 4 cups of water. Put this on this lid, and there is my ant moat. I'll put water in that and sit this on my table outside or somewhere outside. Now, if I want to hang it, which I don't know yet, if I want to hang it or sit it on a table, you can get this. I got this from Dollar Tree. Take some of this, get like 4 strings. You have to decide how low you want to hang it, where you're going to hang it from, and how low you want to hang it. Right now, I don't know that I'm measuring this right, but it doesn't matter. Because when I go where and I figure out where I'm going to hang it, I can just fix that. Okay. So I've got 4 strings. What I'm going to do is tie a knot at this end, like that. Go to the other end and tie a knot. I separate my strings. Put this on the bottom. Up. Bring these strings around. And there is your hanging hummingbird feeder. And if you want to, you can use this on hanging it too. You can put this lid in there and set that on it and hang it too. So let's do that. Because I know the ants and the wasps love this stuff as much as the hummingbirds do. There you go. And as long as you put that food in there, they will come and they will eat out of it. And you can order the dots off of Amazon, or you don't even have to order dots. I made these feeders back in like May or June. You got these from Dollar Tree. I didn't have dots on these. This is all I had was a hole. So, and you don't want a very big hole because you don't want the wasps and bees and stuff to be able to crawl down in there. You can get these 3 bowls from Dollar Tree, put a little hole just big enough for them to put their beaks in, and you have a hummingbird feeder. And I know they will drink from this. I have videos of my hummingbirds drinking from these. And you just have to, you can do a string to hang these up to, or you could sit them on something, and you could even use the lid as a moat for ants and sit it on the table. I do this to inspire you to think outside of the box and come up with things to make your world a beautiful place that you can enjoy. If you like this idea, don't forget to save this so you can come back to it later. Don't forget to share it with your friends and follow me for more content.